Shareholders are the real owners of a company. But how are they different from directors, and what rights do they have? First, let's understand what a shareholder is. A shareholder is a person who owns shares in a company, and shares can be defined as certificates that evidence ownership in a company. Equity investors who invest money into a company in return for shares can be recognized as shareholders. If you want to know who the main shareholders are of a specific UK company, go on Companies House, type in their company name or number, click on People, and then persons with significant control. So what is the difference between shareholders and directors? A shareholder is an owner of a company. Instead, a director is an officer of the company. And by officer, I mean the person who acts on behalf of the limited company. Interestingly, directors can be removed by shareholders, but shareholders cannot be removed by directors. I'm Malcolm Zoppi, a qualified solicitor and the managing director of GZ Legal, a boutique law firm that specializes in corporate and commercial law. So what are the rights of shareholders? There are two main kinds. Number one, the right to dividends, which means to take part in the company's profits. And number two, the right to vote at general meetings. If you're setting up a company or joining an existing company and there are two or more shareholders, it's very advisable to have a shareholders agreement in place. The shareholders agreement will detail the relationship between the shareholders and the company and the duties of the shareholders. As a solicitor, I would advise my clients, if at all possible, to try to hold at least 75% of the voting shares of a company. This will allow the shareholder to virtually pass any decision without really needing the consent of anyone else. If 75%, if not possible, try to go for 51%. Thanks for watching, and check out the rest of the channel, which covers a range of legal issues that are relevant to small businesses in the UK. Also, if you're interested in a free legal advice call, visit our website now, which is linked below.